Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can carousel post on LinkedIn. So first of all, open your browser. Now head over to canva.com, log into your account, and now click on custom size. And now you have to write 920 by 1080. And now click on create new design. Now you can select any design from templates. For example, I'm going with this one. And now you can click on add page to add another page. Now as you can see, we have created a carousel of 2 pages. So once you're done editing your carousel, click on share and now click on download. Now click on download again and now it should start downloading your post. Now once the download has completed, go to linkedin.com. Now click on photos. Now select those images that you have just saved from Canva and click on open. And now click on done. And now you can write anything about your post and click on post. And now as you can see, your post has been shared. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thank you.